Electric currents and circuits. Electricity is the flow of electric power or charge through a conducting material. When electricity moves from one place to another place is called electric current. Electric circuit. An electric circuit is a closed path where electricity flows. An electric circuit has a source such as a cell or battery, connecting wires, an appliance like a bulb, a switch. Circuit diagram. A circuit diagram depicts a circuit using circuit symbol. A cell is depicted as a short vertical line and a long vertical line. A battery is depicted as a cell but there are two cells in it. A switch is shown as a horizontal line with two circles in it. Battery. Two or more cells are called battery. Series connection. In this type of connection, a positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other cell. Parallel connection. In this type of connection, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other cell. A switch. A switch is used to start or stop current from flowing. When the switch is closed it lets electricity to flow from it, but when it is open it do not allow electricity to flow from it. Heating effect of electric current. When electricity flows through an object and get heated, this is known as the heating effect of electric current. Electric bulb. A bulb is made of tungsten metal enclosed with a glass bulb filled with argon gas. The filament is made of tungsten metal which shines white in color when it is heated. Tungsten has a very high melting point so it doesn't melt even when it is white hot. Fuse. A fuse is a device used in an electric circuit to prevent a large amount of current from flowing into the circuit to prevent short circuit. Magnetic effect of electric current. In 1820, a scientist named Hans Christian saw that a compass didn't work properly when kept near an electric wire. This is due to magnetic effect of electricity. Electromagnet. When a coil of wire is wound around a magnetic substance and electricity runs through the coil of wire, the magnetic substance becomes a magnet till electricity runs through the wire.